Have you ever heard that cinnamon is a true jewel of nature? Not only does it add a special touch to food, it has also been used for centuries for its therapeutic properties. But what many people don't know is that there are two main types of cinnamon, and one of them must be avoided. In today's video, we'll reveal the powerful effects of cinnamon for your health, care you need to take, and how to take advantage of them scientifically proven benefits of this ancient spice. Part 1. The History and Power of Cinnamon. Cinnamon was once more valuable than gold in some ancient cultures. In addition to perfuming and adding flavor to traditional dishes, it is rich in antioxidants, has action anti-inflammatory and bioactive compounds which make it a natural ally for well-being. But to reap these benefits, you need to know the right type and how to use it correctly. Part 2. 5 reasons to drink cinnamon tea every day. 1. Acts as antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal. Cinnamon helps to dissolve the mucus off the respiratory tract, being excellent for flu and colds. It fights bacteria such as salmonella and also has action against fungi that cause respiratory infections. Chewing a small piece of cinnamon releases essential oils that freshen your breath, fight germs in the mouth, and even prevent cavities. Its antiseptic action is also effective in topical applications, whether on the skin or oral mucosa. 2. Improves digestion and reduces gas. Cinnamon naturally stimulates the appetite and aids digestion, especially after heavy meals. It has an effect carminative. That is, it reduces the formation of gases and relieves abdominal distension. Thanks to its antispasmodic properties, it relaxes the muscles of the intestine, helping to reduce cramps and abdominal discomfort. 3. Relieves menstrual cramps and stimulates flow. The famous pain at the beginning of menstruation, known as dysmenorrhea, can be alleviated with regular consumption of cinnamon. It improves the blood circulation in the pelvic region, promoting natural pain relief. It can also be useful in cases of absence of menstruation, amenorrhea, but be careful, by stimulating the flow, consumption must be moderate and guided by a professional. 4. Protects the heart. Studies show that cinnamon can help control cholesterol, triglycerides and blood pressure, in addition to balancing blood glucose levels. These combined effects make it a powerful ally in prevention of cardiovascular diseases. But be careful, if you take medication, talk to your doctor before including cinnamon tea in your routine. 5. Helps control blood sugar levels. Cinnamon plays an important role in glucose regulation, being especially useful for those with type 2 diabetes. It helps the body to respond better to insulin and reduces blood sugar spikes. Consumed in moderation and in the right way, it can complement treatment, but never replace it. Always consult your doctor before making any changes. 6. Helps control glucose levels and improves insulin action. Cinnamon is a great ally in controlling blood sugar. It increases the insulin sensitivity, helping the body absorb glucose more efficiently. Furthermore, slows down the digestion of carbohydrates by acting on digestive enzymes, which prevents rapid spikes in blood glucose. What's more, cinnamon contains natural compounds that mimic the effect of insulin in the body, further enhancing its role in blood glucose regulation, especially in people with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. 7. May help prevent neurodegenerative diseases. Initial studies indicate that cinnamon may have protective effects against diseases such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and multiple sclerosis. These possible benefits are attributed to its action antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, which helps protect brain cells from oxidative stress, one of the factors involved in the degeneration of the nervous system. Some compounds present in cinnamon have even shown potential to reduce brain plaques and tangles, which are typical signs of Alzheimer's. It is important to remember that these discoveries are still in the study phase, mainly in animals, and do not replace medical treatments. Discover the 2 types of cinnamon. Be careful when choosing. There are several types of cinnamon, but 2 main they are. Ceylon cinnamon, also called real cinnamon. Cassia, or Chinese, cinnamon, the most common and cheapest. The big difference is in amount of coumarin, a substance that in excess can be toxic to the liver. Ceylon cinnamon contains very low levels of this substance, while cassia has much higher concentrations. So if you have liver problems or are going to use cinnamon frequently, always prioritize Ceylon cinnamon, especially when the goal is to have medicinal benefits. Therapeutic uses of cinnamon. Cinnamon is extremely versatile and can be used in many different ways, such as cinnamon tea, infusion or decoction, essential oils, standardized capsules and extracts, poultice pastes for topical use, cosmetic products, creams, ointments, and even hair masks, mouthwashes and vaporization for respiratory tract. Natural insect repellent and even in gardening to combat fungus on plants. Each form of use has specific indications. For example, Tea is ideal for internal consumption, while essential oil can be used in massages or aromatherapy. Ceylon cinnamon tea recipe. Ingredients: 1 to 1.5 teaspoons ground Ceylon cinnamon, approximately 2.4 to 2.5 g. 240 to 250 milliliters of boiling water, equivalent to a standard cup. Preparation method: add cinnamon to boiling water. Mix well and cover the cup to maintain aromas and nutrients. Leave to infuse for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain if you want a clearer liquid. It can be consumed hot or cold. If you prefer, add mel natural or another sweetener, but this is optional. Important: this recipe recommends Ceylon cinnamon due to its low coumarin content and greater safety for frequent use. Avoid cassia if you are going to use it regularly or for therapeutic purposes. Cinnamon can be combined with other medicinal plants. Many people mix it up with green tea, black tea, ginger, cloves and other herbs to create even more powerful and tasty infusions. These combinations offer a synergy of health benefits, as well as making the tea much more aromatic and pleasant. What is the safe amount of cinnamon tea per day? The general recommendation is to take 1 to 2 cups of cinnamon tea per day, each one about 240 to 250 milliliters of water. For each cup, use 1 to 1.5 teaspoons ground cinnamon, or which is equivalent to approximately 2.5 grams. According to guidelines of the World Health Organization, the maximum daily consumption of cinnamon should stay between 2 to 4 grams per day, preferably divided into small doses, 0.5 to 1 g at a time. Side effects and precautions when using cinnamon. In normal quantities, such as those used in food, cinnamon is safe for most people. But when used in larger doses for medicinal purposes, it is essential to choose Ceylon cinnamon, the call real cinnamon. A cinnamon cassia, more common and cheaper, contains high levels of coumarin, which in excess can cause liver damage, especially in people with liver problems. Other side effects that may occur with excessive consumption include abdominal pain, diarrhea or intestinal discomfort, allergic reactions such as skin rashes or breathing problems, skin irritation, especially when using the cinnamon essential oil undiluted. If you are going to use cinnamon as a supplement or natural treatment, it is essential to respect the doses and seek professional guidance, especially if you are already taking medication or have chronic illnesses. Drug interactions. Be aware. Cinnamon has an effect hypoglycemic, i.e., reduces blood sugar. If you already take medication into diabetics, the combination can overpotentiate this effect, demanding medication adjustments. The same goes for people who use anticoagulants. Cinnamon, especially cassia, can increase this effect, increasing the risk of bleeding. Therefore, in these cases, the best choice will always be Ceylon cinnamon, as it is safer and contains less coumarin. Cinnamon during pregnancy and breastfeeding. The use occasional cinnamon in food does not usually pose any risks. But the use therapeutic or in concentrated doses during pregnancy and lactation has not been sufficiently studied. Therefore, pregnant and lactating women should consult a health professional before using cinnamon tea or supplements with this spice. And you, did you already know all these benefits of cinnamon tea? Have you used it or felt a difference in your body after including cinnamon in your routine? Tell us in the comments. If you like this content, like the video, share it with someone who needs these tips and subscribe here to the Dose de Sod channel. There are more important health and wellness videos coming to your screen. Just click and continue with us.